So in this video, we're going to talk about our AVQ system. Our AVQ is the newest addition to the switch lineup. It's our audio visual scan system. Most of our secondaries have a button per function. What the AVQ allows us to do is take all of those functions and put them onto one or two buttons. So how does this work? By simply pushing a button, you activate the AVQ system. The system will then start talking to you and blinking at you.
Left turn, right turn, horn.
Once you hear and or see the function that you want to activate, simply push the button again to do so. There is both a visual and an audio component depending on your client's needs and abilities. We can set it up so either one or the other is working or active. So you can just have the speaker, or you can just have the visual, or you can have both, depending on what your client wants and prefers. So this is the visual component that I spoke about earlier. Again, when you hit this button, it's going to start blinking at you. It's going to start talking to you.
Left turn, right turn, horn.
This vehicle is set up with our standard 6 functions: blinkers, horn, wipe wash, and dimmer. One of the features of the AVQ system is that the speaker is independent from the box itself. This means that when the box is mounted underneath the dash, the sound isn't coming through the dash. The speaker can be mounted anywhere you want in the vehicle. This means it's unmuffled, it's a clear sound, and you can actually adjust the volume up and down, so there's never any reason that you won't be able to hear this system. The system is available on 1 or 2 tracks, which basically means you can access the functions with 1 or 2 buttons. The nice thing about this is that even if you have only 6 functions, you can put 3 on each button, meaning that you're never too far away from a function. This could be left turn, right turn, horn, and you're never too far away from home. You're not waiting for that 7th function. It also allows us to put up to 10 functions on the AVQ system. While in this video we're showing 2 separate buttons here, we can actually use any of our secondaries to access and activate the AVQ system. So the RF360, the UH360, elbow switching. We even have a tri-switch for the handle of the hand control itself to gain access to all the secondaries built into our AVQ setup. The final feature is that the AVQ comes with a detachable microphone. This means that you can record over the functions in whatever language the driver speaks. You don't have to keep the original English that it's set up with. Thank you for watching the video today on our Switch product. There are a variety of different options, so please feel free to watch all the videos in this series. You can also reach out to us here at SureGrip or one of our local dealers for more information.